First, open your Vbiz Cards login page. Here, you need to enter your username or email address and password. After filling in the correct details, click on Login. Once you log into your account, the dashboard is the first thing you'll see. At the top left, you'll find your profile image. This helps personalize your dashboard. Just below, you'll see 4 main summary boxes. First, total active vCard. Second, total reactivated vCards. Third, today's inquiries. Fourth, today's appointments. Below these stats is the vCard analytics section. Here, you can monitor individual performance for each card and new appointments or activity recorded today. And that's it. Your dashboard keeps you updated with everything that's happening across your digital cards.